Hi guys, today I will compare the sound of the new JBL Go 2 with the JBL Clip 2. I have already compared the sound of the Clip 2 with the older JBL Go and it had a slightly better sound quality. So I thought it would be interesting to see how it compares to the new improved Go 2. Regarding the price, currently the Clip 2 costs around $45 while you can get the Go 2 for around $40, so they have very similar price. Under the hood both speakers have a 3-watt single driver. So let's see how they sound. I will play some songs and tell my personal opinion at the end of the video. Please put on your headphones.
Not really sure, but it feels like my feet are glued to the floor. Don't wanna open up my mouth, cause I'm afraid of what's gonna come out. Life is but a dream. This can't be happening. Wake up, scream. I'm in a twisted reality. Twisted.
So in my opinion, the Clip 2 still has a slightly bigger sound and deeper lows, however the difference is not significant. They have pretty similar overall sound. But please let me know which one do you prefer and put your vote in the comment section below. This was for today. If you liked the video, please press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I was Norbert Kopasz and you watched The Speaker Fanatic.